dami nito. This is our first ever monthly grocery shopping.
Crispy fries.
Yeah.
Happy birthday cookies.
I got these. Wow! Yung gusto ko mag-organize ng ref, kaya lang mas gusto ng asawa kung siya yung nag-organize. So wala tayong magagawa, guys. I need water. I need tubig. I need to pee. I need love.
Mommy,
Good morning, guys. Namadali na ako. Yung pamilya ko nasa sasakyan na. May hinabol lang ako sa taas. Anyway, good morning. It's Friday today. As you can see, namadali ako. Alis kami. We are going to grocery shopping. So, plan ako tatlo yung pupuntahan. Punta tayo ng palengke. Punta tayo ng dito sa grocery store na gusto kong i-check. Kasi feeling ko mas mura siya. Now we're going to Landers. Ay, hingal ako. Meron na tayong list. So I have this list para sa mga kailangan natin bilhin. And I'm gonna bring this camera para late lang siya. Tignan niyo naman guys, itsura ng camera ko. Nakapaalit na lang siya. Kasi if you guys have a G7X, alam niyo na madaling mag-loosen up ito. Pero ito kasi yung pinaka-compact na camera na okay yung quality, okay yung mic. Anyway, alis na kami. I'll see you guys today. So ayun na nga guys. Yun yung ganap natin today. Kasi sa Landers, what we like getting from there is yung kanilang meat. Maganda yung mga karne nila doon guys. Maganda yung iwa, maganda yung portion ng fat at saka ng meat sa pagdating sa pork at saka sa beef. Tapos yung chicken, mas benta ni aking asawa. So, ayun. And then sa palengke naman, mas fresh yung mga gulay, mas mura yung bilihin. So, binibili naman namin doon yung mga gulay, bigas, yung kami bumibili sa palengke. Tapos, pagdating din sa pupuntahan naman natin, yung mga normal na gino-grocery like snacks ng mga bata, mga condiments, although condiments okay din naman sa palengke. Pero yung mga, let's say, mga drinks, at saka snack, mga pambaon-baon nila, at saka na yung AA, doon naman sa isang grocery. Hopefully, mas cheaper doon. Meron kaming gusto i-try na supermarket, pero dalawa yung ano niya, yung branch na malapit sa amin. Meron sa Sukat, meron sa Imus. So, should we try Sukat? Which one is that? Sukat. Half an hour, pero hopefully, hindi naman nabuto yung alis naman na kami, guys. You okay? How about you do the list? Wow. We do this one. There.
Landers cheaper.
Landers cheaper. Is it?
It is, yeah.
How much? How much was Landers?
3, 4, 8, 7.
Oh, are you buying it?
That's Landers.
Yeah.
Landers after
I only buy the things that might be cheaper here. Because in Landers, you got big bulks, right?
Hey, go back there. Boom, boom, boom.
Wow.
I'm gonna go faster.
Good job. Okay, next.
love this, don't ya?
More. Bili tayo ng tuna. You like tunas? Yeah, favorite ko to eh. Tuna. Tuna fish. No, bili din tayo nitong canton. Paborito ng mga bata to eh. Wow, they got Kinder Joy. Should we get some for you and your brother?
Yeah.
2 for AA. 2 for Lily. Okay.
Pink one is for girls. Blue one is for boys.
Okay.
I can't wait to scan them.
Yeah, I bet you can. Hi. Let's get some ridges as well. Bili tayong toge. Magkano to? $150. Ba't ang mahal? Ang mahal lang toge. Okay, mami will open. Yummy! Cookies! No. Tapos meron din silang asparagus for 90 pesos. I got some ham as well. Tsaka hot dog. Kasi matagal na kami hindi nakatikim. Ito ako gusto ko to, cheese dog. Tapos we got bacon, some hash brown. What else? What's up? Okay. Go on.
Yeah, that one.
The kids are not gonna eat that.
What about me?
You want to? You wanna try it? Okay. Crispy. Masarap din tong crispy fry na to eh, actually. Garlic. Kaya lang mas prefer ng mga bata yung original. Ano pa ba? Cinnamon, cayenne. Wala ata tayong cayenne pepper. Yung ganito, ang binibili ko yung nakapack. Kasi may container na tayo sa bahay. We need garlic powder at saka cayenne pepper. So what do we have here? Oh, we need bay leaves din pala. Nakadalawang trolley kami. Ayan. Kinakabahan ako sa bill natin. But at least okay naman yung mga kids' fill, oh.
Sure.
Yeah.
Want it.
Yeah.
I drank it before, and it tasted nice.
Yeah. Put this frozen as well. Mag-haul tayo later ng mga pinamili. Oh, do you remember this? I used to...
Yeah, frozen.
No, I used to eat it
Yeah,
powder.
pocket, yeah.
Yeah. In a packet.
I love Milo.
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 Milo?
Milo, yes.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Milo.
We're done. Ito nga lang merong hindi nagkasya doon. So, what we doing first? Go Latin's. Okay lang guys yung price in fairness. Hindi kami kami. Na-surprise kami. Akala ko it will be more. Pero hindi. Hindi siya ganun ka.
Now we can go and see.
Good afternoon guys! Hello, so we got back from grocery shopping. Sobrang dami nito. This is our first ever monthly grocery shopping. Monthly grocery shopping haul. I don't know if you guys would like to see yung haul. Pero prefer ko sana na plano ko kanina is the whole grocery shopping namin kasama ko kayo. So mag-vlog sana ko everything na ilalagay namin sa cart. So hindi ko na siya kailangang i-haul. But then kasama namin si AA. So medyo naging chaotic yung sitwasyon na antok na rin kasi si AA. So I decided na tapusin na namin yung aming grocery. And then lumipat kami sa another grocery store, tinapos din namin yon, and then now we are here. Sabi ko mag-haul na lang tayo. So anyway, hindi ko alam kung saan ako magsa-start and sobrang dami nito. Never kami guys namili ng ganito kadami. As in, if we did, siguro it's a long time ago, pero I don't think we have ever done this. Kasi mahilig si daddy ko, mahilig yung asawa ko guys mamili sa grocery shop. Mahilig ang asawa ko mag-grocery shopping. So, gusto niya every other day. Kaya lang for me kasi may mga times na makakalimutan mo yung bibilan, tapos babalik ka na naman. Sayang yung gasolina, sayang yung pagod, sayang yung oras. So, sabi ko, yung alam naman namin na kailangan namin every day, binili na namin. So, do you want to show them what we got? You and me together? Okay. So, bumili ako ng mga drinks for the kids. Meron tayong, tatry ko guys as much as possible to make this pasta. So, we got some Dutch mill. Ito yung paborito ni Lily when she was little. This is your favorite when you were little. Ano siya? Strawberry flavor. So, bumili ako ng dalawang big 4 pieces pack. And then, we got some mee goreng. So, bumili rin ako ng gatas ni AA, Similac. This is impossible talaga. We've got some sky flakes. We got some seaweed. Bumili rin ako ng pansit na pang canton. Meron din ako nabili na pansit bihon. So with meat, bumili ako ng chicken breast at saka chicken liver para sa aming mga dogs. Silutuin ko yan siya guys para ihahalo sa kanilang dog food. We've got some bacon. Ito yung hindi ko pwedeng mawala, bacon. We've got pickled radish. What's that? You have to read it. Pickled radish.
And we have crispy fry.
Yeah. We got some sweet ham. Never pa na-try ito ng mga anak ko. So, sabi ko matatry nila yan pang sandwich, diba? Never pa na na-try yan. So, we got some Hungarian sausage. Ito pinakita ko kanina, na-miss ko pa ako yung cheese dog.
And we have Shopee.
Shopee, request ni Lily. We've got some chicken breast nuggets. And then, we also got some Brazilian beef.
And we
na
have
mince.
twirl bites.
Yeah, it's from Mama. So, bumili rin ako ng giniling para na baboy. May itong baka para kay daddy ko. Hindi ko alam kung ano gagawin niya, kung pang spaghetti ba or pang chili. Pero bumili ako ng pork pang lumpia. And then, also, pwede mo siyang i-mix sa ibang mga gulay-gulay, di ba? So, bumili rin kami ng, ayan, pang pork adobo cut na pork. We bought a bunch of, parang 2 pack ng pork chop. Ang daming meat. Pero ano naman to siya guys, hindi naman masisira kasi frozen natin, no? We got some drumsticks, chicken thigh, more drumsticks, more pork chop, and then we've got some ham. Ang ham naman na to pa kay Mister. And then...
And we have Oshi with
ridges.
ridges.
Yeah.
Because some words are tricky for me to read.
Yeah. So we've got sukiyaki na beef. Yeah, ano ko yan siya, parang
And we
steak.
got another crispy fry again.
Yeah. We bought 3 boxes ng Minute Maid. So dito ko na lang siya ilalagay. Ayan.
And we have the happy birthday cookies.
This is AA's favorite. Bumili rin ako ng 2 century tuna, 2 spam, na yung paborito kong spam yung 25 less sodium, at saka Reno, pang kaldereta.
And we have Milo.
Milo. Yeah.
Wait.
We've got some bean sprout. And then bumili rin ako pala nito guys, onion spring. So ang plano ko dito, ilalagay ko siya sa may tubig. Sabi nila, ang gagawin mo lang daw, ikakat mo lang yung kailangan mo sa taas, tapos magtitira ka, di ba? Fresh cut mo siya, tapos ilalagay mo siya, ilulubog mo lang siya sa tubig, and then it will grow. So, para less yung bibilhin natin. Although this one is 15 pesos, yung pagkakabili ko.
I got mommy's coffee.
Yeah. So, yan, napakita ko yung bean sprout. We got double zipper bag. So, ito guys, assorted na yung binili ko. Meron siyang large and medium. Ito yung pinakakailangan namin talaga. Mapapang freezer ng food or pag nagmamarinade or pag nagbabakon si AA sa school. Bumili rin pala ako ng kinchay kasi wala akong makita ng kinchay sa palengke na nakaraan. So, ayan. I got some wraps for my husband kasi he loves wraps.
And we have chicken gravy.
Chicken gravy. Bumili rin kami ng crispy fry na spicy. Request naman ni Daddy, sabi niya. Try ko nga yan. I got some bay leaves. And, ano to, garlic powder.
And we got pasta.
That's AA's favorite, yung fusilli. And ito, first time ko na try fettuccine na same brand.
And we got 6 Sprite.
Yeah, we also got Heineken. This is for Daddy.
And we have lumpia wrapper.
Yeah. Bumili kami ng 2 bread for Daddy.
And we got Quake Overload Matcha Butter.
Mocha butter.
Mocha Butter.
Yan, 2. 2 yung binili namin kasi maliban sa gusto to ni Lily, paborito ko rin ito.
And we have potato chips because
Yeah. Oyster ridges again. Cracklings. We got some patata.
and we got apples.
Apple.
I love
Some
apples.
yogurt na strawberry. Ito ko lang siya lalagay sa box para madali na siyang i-transfer mamaya sa fridge. And then we've got some eggs. 2 dozens of eggs.
And
Oh,
we got 2 Kinder Joys.
So meron pa pala kami frozen. Ito, Lily really missed this. Meron kami nabili na corn dog. So isa lang binili ko kasi hindi ko alam kung mahilig siya sa, kung magugustuhan niya yung cheese dog. So yun. And then we've got some hash brown, another bagong kining-hiligan ni AA. Hash browns. And then,
And we
classic.
got-
Meron din kami classic na hotdog.
And we got Oreos.
So I wanted to try to make homemade tapas sana. Kaya lang nakita ko to kanina. Pampanga's best na beef tapas. So sabi ko, since may prepared na naman, binili ko na lang. Gusto ko siya i-try. Kung hindi ko siya mabetan, gagawa na lang ako ng homemade ko. So yan, and then we've got some casino. So ito, meron ako nakita, tomato ketchup and na Heinz. And they also have a mayo, so I wanna try that. And then yung aking Japanese na mayo as well.
And we have drip.
Yung drip yun, nor seasoning paborito nila yan. So anyway, I also got these pang refill lang na na Golden Fiesta na oil. Kasi sabi ko, pag malaking binili ko, hindi ko siya magagamit agad-agad. So sayang. So may maliliit lang na ganito. At least pag may bukas ako pa isa-isa lang.
And we got salt.
Yeah. Soy sauce. We also got some wipes para kay AA. Some bolognese sauce, cayenne pepper, and then ito, mga pang panglinis, pang shower, like this one, wash and shampoo ng Aveeno for the kids. Joy, pang ating wash ng dishes. May nakita ako na buy one, get second up to 50% off na Head and Shoulders. And then, we've got color safe na Swan Rocks. We've got Mr. Muscle na panglinis ng toilet.
And we got Dove.
Ito, first time ko ito try yung Midos Home Nanotechnology Household Floor Cleaner. Try ko siya kasi medyo mura lang siya, 100 something lang. Tapos ganito na kadami yung mabibili mo, di ba? And then we bought pedigree for the dogs as well. Bumili rin din si Daddy ng charcoal para sa kanyang pang-ihaw-ihaw. And ano pa ba? Ayun, we have mini Coke Zero. 3 ganito yung binili namin. And then, meron kami maliliit na water bottle para kay AA and Lily pag nagbabaon sila sa school. Especially AA, he only go to school for an hour and a half.
And we have this
Yeah.
for the barbecue.
And that's it! Natapos na tayo, guys! And tatlong tig 24 bottles na 500 ml yung binili namin. So that's it, you guys! Mag-organize na ako ng ating kusina. Super exciting. Hindi ko pa pala na-open yung dumating kanina. May dumating ako package na pang-organize. I believe yun yung container na bili ko sa Shopee na pang-organize ng ating freezer. Hindi ko alam kung sasama ko dito yung pang-organize ko. Or we're gonna have a separate vlog for that. But, so if we do, make sure na nakasubscribe kayo para mapapanood nyo yung ating video na iyon. Thank you, Nels, for helping me.
Welcome.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye! Open na natin itong dumating. Marami ako dun guys na packages from Shopee. Nasabi ko, sabay-sabay ko sana siyang i-open. Kaya lang dahil nga nauna yung ating grocery shop. Marami-rami ito siya. Kakailanganin ko to yung mga container na to. Kasi marami natutuwa dun sa mga boodle videos. Yung pag namimili ako sa Shopee, tapos pinapakita ko sa inyo. Tapos marami nagme-message sa akin. Pasend naman po ng link. So, i-link ko na lang sila, ha? I got these. This is for the fridge. So, for your apple, it's additional, logo. Additional drawer. Wow! See? May tie. Ang cute kaya. It's so nice. Cute. So cute. I actually think the drink should be here, so we only open this one. Wow, so cute! Yung gusto ko mag-organize ng ref, kaya mas gusto ng asawa kung siya yung nag-organize. So, wala tayong magagawa, guys. Antayin nyo na lang yung pag ako na yung nag-organize. Hinarangan niya na talaga ako. Do you want... You like doing it, don't you? Don't lie. So, yeah, ano natin siya. Would you do another monthly grocery shopping again?
I'll do one tomorrow if you want.
I know.
This is how I can do this.
You can restock, refill.
More juice.
More juice.
Need more juice. Lily, more juice.
Bukas na lang tayo guys gagawa ng pang-organize video, ha? Our fridge is so nice. Tagal pala ng ganito guys matapos, no? Akala ko mabilis lang. Tagal? Which one is this one? Okay. Ito, nahanap ko na yung pang-organize natin ng freezer. Nakabili ako guys ng ganito dati, ay no nakaraan. Kaya lang yung binili ko, pa isa-isa, siguro ni-resell nila. Ito pala, nakaset pala siya, apatan. Gusto ko to pang organize ng ng meat. Especially pag bumili tayo kasi ng karne, 'di ba marami yan, parang 7 o 6 na hiwa ng pork chop. Paanin naman namin yung ganun. Idalawa lang kami mag-asawa yung pork chop. Tapos malalaki kasi sila. Ayan o. Mabilis ang hugasan ko lang to.
You better know.
Ayan. I-link ko to guys down below sa Shopee, ha? Dito, giniling. Lalagyan ko dito ng mince, smaller portion that way. When we defrost it, hindi masisira yung iba. Minsan kasi, especially what do you call it, love? The legs. The chicken legs. We have to cook it, di ba, no? Or else it's gonna go bad. So with these, bago pa siya ma-frozen, naka-separate na, mas okay, di ba? It's a can storage box. We put a can, and you take a can down, it will go down, it will refill.
So I'll do this now.
Huh?
I've got to use it now, huh?
No, you don't
How
have
do we do
to.
it? How do we do it?
It's in the picture there. Right?
Yeah.
That's right? So you put one and go. You take one from the bottom, and it will refill the bottom.
You work with minutes?
It's meant to go. I don't know. We'll find out. Sorry. Oh, it's mini in it.
No. That one's broke. That one's broke.
Huh?
That one's broke.
Why is it broke? No, I'm just trying to make sure they're not going to hurt themselves. Go on. You know, you know what I mean? Whee! So if you take one, look, it goes like that. Shopee finds. I got 2 of those.
I need the Sprite one now, don't
It's nice though.
I? Yeah.
We need the regular size one. Drink. Not the minis. Yan yung fridge natin. Ang ganda. Ang ganda na ng fridge natin. Hindi pa yan siya fully organized guys kasi yung mga gulay natin. Hindi pa yan siya na papalitan. Ganda.
Mommy, Daddy, Mimi, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Daddy, Mommy, Mimi.
It's like, where's AA? Where's Butchog?
Hey, look, Mimi.
But where's Butchog?
Daddy.
Bochog needs pictures in the family. Love. We've got photo frames there of our family, and Bochog is not in any of them. Nag-film ako guys ng pang reels natin at the same time pag-vlog. Anyway guys, so I am cooking right now na pagkain ng ating mga for babies. So bumili ako kanina ng chicken breast, chicken liver. Meron tayong mga vegetables sa ref na iluluto natin para sa ating mga mahal na papi and binsoy. So ayan, unahin ko muna yung chicken breast. Papakuluan ko siya dito. Tapos, maya-maya, ipapakuluan naman natin yung atay ng manok. Tapos, after nun, saka natin papakuluan sa same na tubig. Papakuluan din natin yung ating mga vegetables. So, yan yung ating plano. Oh, I need you to get some malunggay for the dogs.
Okay.
Please. Can you help Daddy get some malunggay for Vinsoy and Poppy?
Yes.
Tapos na. Ito na yung food ng ating mga pups. So they've got, ito yung carrots, hindi ko siya niluto kasi gusto nila ng crispy. Diba? Juicy yan. Tapos meron tayong sayote, may malunggay, may atay ng manok, tapos chicken breast. Tapos yung nakamix yung kanilang dog food. Tapos nilagyan ko rin siya ng sabaw. Yung pinagkuluan ng ating mga food. So, patry natin sa kanila. Wow! Oh, they went for the liver right away. This is like too hot for me. This is too hot. I need tubig. I need to pee. I need love. It's too big. Wow, yummy puppy. Oh, she loves the liver, huh? Phil? She's picking it over the other ones. Yeah. Doon na si Poppy. Nausog yung bowl niya papunta dun sa dulo. Ito sila guys pinapakain para maliban sa madali siyang linisin para din makalanghap ng hangin. Hindi yun lagi sila sa loob ng bahay. Konting-konti na lang natira.
Maybe because she left it because she wants more tinola. Maybe she wants more.
Tawag ni Lily tinola kasi may chicken, malunggay at saka sayote. Pero naroon ko rin siya ng fresh na carrots at saka liver. So, hindi talaga siya tinola. Wow! You finished it, Pops! I bet she wants more. Hey, Poppy will just eat it. See? Yung natira kay Binsoy. So yun guys, marami-rami yung natira. So the rest, nilagay namin sa container para sa mga susunod na kain nila. I-mix natin. Lalo na yung liver. Kasi binili kong liver parang 1 kilo mahigit yung 1 kilo kalahati ata. So ang gagawin namin, 1 o 2 slice kada meal nila. Kung pwede yun siya guys, i-frozen. Pag luto na. Kasi initin na lang. Mas magana sila kapag may chicken liver. Tsaka yung malunggay, maganda pala yung malunggay, hindi lang sa ating mga tao, para sa mga alaga din nating dogs. Although yung malunggay kasi kanina, parang konti lang yung konti lang yung nilagay kong malunggay kanina. Kasi nahiya si Daddy Philo ng hingi. So yung natira nating malunggay, yun na lang yung ginamit. Pero maghahanap ako later na mabibila ng moringa powder na lang. Pero mas maganda kasi parang for me kasi mas okay yung pa rin, malunggay na fresh, di ba? Para sure ka talaga na puro. Anyway, hugas naman. Madalas ito yung asawa ko ay naghuhugas. Pero dahil siya ay nakatokas sa luto ng dinner ng mga bata, ako na lang maghuhugas. Kaya niya pa ako pinaalis. Saan niya di ako nang kailangan. So, ganyan guys yung ginagawa namin sa pagkain ng ating mga alaga. Talaganado silang kumain. Pero hindi naman kasi sa kanila po pwede na tumaba. Lalo na si Poppy. Kasi nagiging tamad. Ayaw maglakad, ayaw kumilos. Bata pa si Poppy. Maintindihan mo siya kung medyo may edad na. Si Vincent kasi may edad na parang 7 years old na siya Mas maganda pa si Vincent kay Lily Plus dog years, diba? Parang 7 years ata each. Times 7 ata. So imagine nyo, may edad na siya, diba? How old is Vincent, love? Oh, nasa 50 na siya sa dog years. So talagang Ayaw niya na ng masyadong maharot. Masyadong malakad, masyadong maghala. Ayaw niya na. And at the same time, naaawa naman din kami na hindi siya pakainin ng pagkain pang tao. Kaya ganyan yung ginagawa ko. Yan yung bawi ko sa kanila, guys. Kaya mabilis mawala yung tampo sa akin ni Vincent kasi ako nagpe-prepare ng pagkain niya. Although alam nyo guys, mas spoiled naman din sila sa daddy nila, kay Mister. Pag tinreat naman sila ng asawa ko, Diyos ko, steak. Kaya lang sabi ko nga sa kanya, hindi ko pwede kasi ng salt, ng ibang pampalasa yung ating mga dogs. Kaya sabi ko, babudgetan lang namin sila every week. Tapos may lutuan ko na lang. Yung pin-repair ko pala guys, konti lang yung gulay kasi pwede ko naman madali na lang mag-cut ng gulay. Lalo na yung carrots kasi mas gusto nila yung carrots. Hilaw. Kasi medyo crunchy-crunchy. So yung carrots, konti lang yung nilagay ko. And yung sayote natin, isa na lang din kasi. So yeah. Ayan siya, yan yung food nila. So pinapalamig ko lang muna bago natin ilalagay sa ref. And now, tingin tayo sa Shopee kung meron silang moringa powder para sa ating mga pups. Yes. Here she comes.
It wasn't delicious.
Come on.
How she said it,
Come on then.
but how nice it will be.
Sabi your mama.
In those final moments, just
Ay,
like this.
No, thank you for a good meal.
But everyone will read after.
Okay, mama. Mama. Enjoy spaghetti jodos, mama. Enjoy, mama. Enjoy, mama. I know, mama. Come on.
She's maybe you know why.
No.
Yes, it
Mama, no, mama.
No, I think it's
Mama, you're
not.
happy.
For what he wanted, now he's asking for help sending some
And you're
30-year grudge, some fool that we can provide. He can ask for anything he likes, anything at all, and he's gonna get it.
You wanna come?
Why?
dogs.
Papa does.
From the moment John betrayed him,
No, Daddy.
It
Together.
wasn't. It was him. He changed
So,
it.
let's watch it together.